Hi, this is Purnima Devi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So in this last classes, I will discuss about what is data visualization and what are all the advantages of data visualization we are using. So in this class, I want to discuss about some question. So this question will be asked by the student frequently. So what is the solution of that particular question? So the question is selecting the right visualization for dashboard creation. So in this data visualization, we have to create some dashboard. So in this dashboard, we have to include more number of images. That is either from bar chart, by chart, some anything in that topics. So based on the data sets, we have to be retrieve the information, knowledgeable information from the data sets, and we have to display in the dashboard. So we have to create a right visualization for the dashboard. So there are some 7 steps we are using for the creation of dashboard. So first one is define your objectives. So in this we have to know what is the objective of our data set. So we have to collect the data set from the different sources. So in this we have to analyze what is the data sets and what we have to visualize the image from the large number of data sets. So in this data set we have more number of columns and more number of rows. There are n number of values in the data set. So from that data set we have to collect the knowledgeable information, that is we collect only the required information what the audience they need. So and also we have to find out the target audience also. So what is the knowledge of our audience. So we have to display the information based on the audience. So the audience can be either a technical skill or there is no idea about that particular data set. So we have to create the information, we have to create the dashboard based on the audience. So this is the first step, define your objective. So based on the data set we collect the information and we have to analyze the audience also. So the second one is data source and the complexity. So from the data set we have more volume of data and more type of data. So the type of data means either an audio, video, either structure, non-structure. There are n type of data sets we have collected from the websites. So we have to understand what type of data sets we have to and the volume of data sets also, and we have to know about what is the real time of that information and what is the historical information. So these are considered for the data set creation in the dashboard. So that only we have to given a knowledgeable information to the audience. So this is very helpful for the audience to decision making for the particular information. So the next one is an evaluate tool capabilities. So in this we have to collect the visual reality. So we have n number of elements we are using, that is bar chart, by chart, and some more things, scatter plots, heat maps. So we have to collect the information in the data set and we have to retrieve the data in knowledgeable information, and we have to choose the correct information like either bar or by chart or a heat maps or something. So this is the third step, choose the visual variety. And the next one is learning curve. So we have to give some technical skills for the data sets which we are derived. First we have to analyze what questions the audience will be asked to the particular technical person. So the technical person have to understand the detail of data sets and they have collect the knowledgeable information and given to the particular dashboard. And the next one is budget and licensing. So in these dashboards we are using either a free cost or some low cost. So we are using the cost of scaling also. We have to analyze the scaling also. So based on the audience we have to find out the scalings, either free or some open source or some cost. So the next one is performance and scalability. So in this we have to analyze how to handle the large number of data sets. So the data set may be either in thousands of rows and columns and lakhs of rows and columns. So based on the data set we have to retrieve the knowledgeable information to the understandable by the audience. So the next one is the security. So the data set will be secured to the some particular audience. So we have to analyze all the 7 steps and we have to choose the correct dashboard to deliver the information to the audience for the decision making.